This video is being recorded as part of the DigiLent Design Contest 2014 pre-evaluation form. It shows the current status of my project, the ball and beam system. Here you can see the mechanical rig. It's made of iron. The base and the support pillars are made of iron and covered in plastic. It consists of a motor, an aluminum plate on which the beam will rest, held in place by 4 screws, and a pot for measuring the position of the motor shaft. This is the beam. It's made of plexiglass. I've just glued in place the resistive wire and the copper wire, and I am now in the process of sanding off the excess adhesive. I will then hammer the ends of the beam in it. Here you can see the ends of the beam and the ball. The ball comes from a ball bearing and its diameter is 20 millimeters. For this video I am going to move the shaft of the motor left and right again in an infinite loop, and I am going to use the PMOD HB3 H-bridge and the chip kit UC32. This is the setup. Let me close up a bit. I am not using the sensor pins of the H-bridge. I am using switched power supplies to power the motor and the board. Right now the board won't be powered by a switched power supply, but the motor will. They are very easy to find, and I believe they add additional portability. As you can see, I am plugging it in. This is the shaft moving. I have labeled it left and right so that I can write the code. The position is printing here on the screen. Unfortunately, the font is very small. Next, I am going to finish sanding off the excess adhesive on the ball, and I am going to mount it on this aluminum plate right here. And taking into account all of the physical parameters, I am going to model the system, and then I will implement a controller for it. I will also integrate the PMOD CLS seen here, this display. I have tested it, it works, but I am waiting on integrating it because I want to figure out what I want to display first. Well, thank you for watching.